A melting pot of culture and a diverse population are the main aspects of Brazil. The culture of Brazil reflects various people that constitute the demographics of this South American country, such as indigenous tribes, Europeans, Japanese, and Africans. One of the largest features of Brazilian culture is Brazilian dance. Each region of Brazil has its own native dance. However, there are 4 types of dances that all of Brazil shares. Samba is viewed as a different type of dance in different countries. In Brazil, samba is mostly seen in times of carnival. Carnival literally translates as the Feast of Meat. It is during this week, usually in the last week of February, that people decide to satisfy their mundane desires before Lent. Samba has its matrices mostly from African influences. It originated as a dance for African gods, but soon the dance began to embrace other motivation. During Carnival, the samba dancers are notorious for wearing minimal clothing. This is also a modern influence because in antiquity, the ritual of doing the samba dance was to incorporate layers upon layers of clothing to make the dresses of the women seem fuller. Forró is another very upbeat dance, but with more of a southern feel. The origin of the word comes from forrobodó, that means party or mess in African. Forró conquered the Brazilian population. Before, it was restricted only to the north and northern region of Brazil. But soon, it ultra-passed the geographical barriers and slowly conquered the southern regions of Brazil, and also Brazil as a whole. Quadrilha is a form of dance that originated in Holland. Quadrilha is usually performed during festas juninas, which are literally translated as June parties. These dances are performed to commemorate the saints of June and also an appreciation for the growing of the crops in the previous spring. The dance is composed of many commands to follow, and all of these commands join together in perfect unity to form the quadrilha dance. Quadrilha dance describes a meeting between a man and a woman in which a man offers to dance, and if the woman accepts, this may lead to a future marriage. Capoeira incorporates the elements of dancing and fighting. Its main purpose is to build mental, physical, and spiritual energy. Capoeira begins with the chamada, or the call, where one opponent calls the other to duel. Capoeira defenses consist of evasive moves and rolls. A series of ducks, called esquivas, which literally means escape, are also part of capoeirista's defensive vocabulary. There are typically different esquivas for every step of the ginga, depending on the direction of the kick and the intention of the defender. A common defense is the rolê, which is a rolling move that combines a duck and a low movement. The acrobatic spin comprises mostly throwing kicks in the air while other members around them sing to the rhythm of the berimbau, agogo, e atabaques. The berimbau, agogo, e atabaques are all instruments used during the capoeira dance.
Aí, moleque, traz a galera pra jogar capoeira aqui embaixo. Escuta o som do berimbau, tá chorando, tá bonito. Vai, moleque, chega aí, fecha a roda, fecha a roda.
é trazida ao Brasil pelos escravos africanos, angolanos. Aí eles trouxeram porque eles praticavam essa dança. E a partir de depois que foi apresentado por o mestre Bimba, que fundou a capoeira no Brasil, em 1932, ele conseguiu abrir a primeira academia de capoeira do Brasil. E daí depois ela se diversificou para o mundo inteiro. Hoje, todos os cantos do mundo tem academia de capoeira brasileira, porque a capoeira foi recriada como uma dança, como um esporte, como uma arte marcial. Então ela foi recriada e hoje ela está no mundo inteiro. Comecei mais ou menos entre aos 16 aos 18 anos, 2 anos de capoeiras mais ou menos. É muito bom, é uma dança, é um exercício, é uma ginástica. Se trabalha com o seu corpo, com sua mente. É muito fun, muito legal dançar capoeira. Não simplesmente pelo fato de você, às vezes, querer uma luta, uma self-defense, mas também porque é muito alegre, muito divertido. Assim, não precisa ser um profissional, ele vai ser um profissional, isso vai ser a opinião dele, se ele quiser ou não, mas na minha opinião, sim, eu gostaria que ele desenvolvesse essa técnica, porque é muito bom, é um exercício maravilhoso, assim, desenvolvimento físico, mental, é muito saudável.